Hey everyone, Jim Hamill here, and in the Pocono Mountains, May means that flowers are in bloom. And here at Woodloch Pines Resort, this place is immaculate every springtime, and especially because of the mother-daughter gardening team that makes this place look impeccable each and every year. Happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. Anyone who has spent time at Woodloch can attest. This is a place of beauty, and behind all the gardens, perennials, holiday decor, and all, is the gardening mother-daughter duo of Ellen and Dusty.
So many people like, oh, I could never work with my mother.
Yeah.
Come on, I'm fun.
You are.
Ellen Dunn has 20 years as head gardener at the various Woodloch properties. Dusty came on board 16 years ago, and each and every year, through every change of seasons, they're together on the job.
We've been doing this so long together that we just kind of know what needs to be done.
Yep. Hey, hand me a shovel, I said. How's that? That's good, right?
We both have our parts that we do, and we just jump out and we dig in and do it.
On this day, Ellen and Dusty and their coworker Kathy are preparing for the Easter holiday weekend at the resort,
Okay, see you on the next rock.
making the iconic entrance look as welcoming as it does.
Our summer flower order is coming next week, so we need to get the pansies planted.
Whether they're digging in the dirt or hauling heavy planters, Ellen and Dusty have formed a bond deeper than any roots can go. And that's true for the relationship they also have to Woodloch and its guests.
It's a good feeling, and then you have families coming here to enjoy the resort. And, you know, when they find out that we're a mother-daughter team, they just love it, you know, and they're just happy to see that.
For Ellen, being a mom is her biggest accomplishment, she says, and working with flowers also brings her a lot of happiness. Doing both together is a bonus, and soon, Dusty will be able to say the same.
So in the fall, we have a big event happening, and she won't be here for a while.
Oh, right, yeah.
Dusty's gonna have a baby.
This mother-daughter gardening tag team admit it can get testy at times to work with family.
It's good.
We do fight sometimes, and I'll admit I'm the stubborn one, and, you know, I stick to my guns sometimes too much, and then, you know, it might turn into a fight, but I think we're pretty good at, you know, coming back around. And
We do, always.
But when they both look at how fortunate they are to work here at Woodloch together, doing what they love.
I'm grateful that I get to work with my mom every day.
And there she goes.
Yep.
Ellen and Dusty are blessed beyond measure to share time together, creating a beautiful backdrop for Woodloch families and their own family. Jim Hamill for the Pocono Television Network. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains magazine.